This is Jose Caban. Mac OS X, Reason, and Cubase are registered trademarks of their respective companies, and I am in no way affiliated with Apple, Propellerhead, or Steinberg. So now we've got our bass, we've got our drums. I think we're going to put in some sort of melodic lead in this. That's basically it's the background music. It's all background music because we're not doing any solos for this beat. So even though it's background music, you still need some kind of lead, some kind of melody that kind of overpowers all the rest. So we've got our bass, we've got our drums. Let's go ahead and work on some sort of melody. Let's go ahead and play the bass with the drums. Right, okay, so I'm looking around here somewhere. Okay, so now we've got something in there. Don't be afraid to just record. Whenever you're making stuff, just record, record, record. Because you can always cut it out. That's the beauty of what we do in the modern digital age. You can always cut it out. So don't be afraid to just put as much as you like in there. Go back through, listen to it, pick out pieces you like, and use those pieces.